Chlorine Awareness course from OSHA Online Center explains both the benefits and the serious hazards associated with chlorine. You'll learn how chlorine gas appears greenish-yellow, is heavier than air, and can quickly accumulate in low areas, creating invisible danger zones. Even its sharp odor is a warning sign, because if you can smell chlorine, exposure has already begun. This course highlights the acute health effects of chlorine exposure, including severe irritation to the lungs and eyes, chemical burns, breathing difficulty, and in extreme cases, suffocation. You'll also learn proper storage and handling practices, such as keeping chlorine away from incompatible materials, ensuring proper ventilation, and following PPE requirements like full-face respirators and chlorine-impervious gloves. These precautions help prevent leaks, exposure, and serious injuries. Chlorine emergencies demand fast, informed action. This training explains what to do during leaks or spills, when to evacuate, how to move upwind, and why only trained personnel should respond. You'll also learn the correct first aid steps for inhalation, skin, or eye exposure. In just 9 minutes, this course gives you critical knowledge that can protect your health and your life. If you work with or around chlorine, awareness is your first line of defense. Enroll now in the Chlorine Awareness course from OSHA Online Center. Click the link in the description and take a simple step toward a safer workplace.